Just for the information, we are going to Kashan in one-day road trip to attend that gulabiri ceremony, which being held in Kashan every year, and it's a very beautiful event in Kashan. We bought our tour from YouTube Insight, which is a very big platform of several tours in Iran, and it has different one-day road trip tours or several day road trip, and it has some tours for traveling abroad. And this is our first experience with this group, and hope we enjoy this. This tour costs us 1,250,000 tomans for us, which is equal to almost $20. And that means by spending $20, you can go to Kashan one day and go back, and it's really cheap. I want to tell you some additional facts about Kashan. The distance between Tehran and Kashan is about 240 kilometers, about 150 miles, and it is located in the central part of Iran, and it's in Isfahan province. I want to tell you some facts about the climate of Kashan. It's generally hot and dry, and we chose the bad season for visiting Kashan because it was really hot. Going to the front of the bus and introducing themselves for the other people, and it's really fun because they should dance together, and actually there is a funny guy and you're laughing at him. If you want to visit Kashan from Tehran or another city, you can use train, bus or your own car because every one of this way lead you to this beautiful city. And this city is well known for its beautiful architecture and the most amazing places like Fin Bath and Agha Bozorg Mosque. And if I want to tell you some information about the Fin Bath that we are actually going to visit and show you the whole place. It is where Amir Kabir, the Prime Minister of Iran in Qajar era, was killed in that bath, and it is one of the most historic and beautiful place of Kashan. Hope you enjoy this travel vlog with us. Now we stopped at a restaurant to eat our breakfast, and it has a self-service buffet. And here is what we choose to eat. What are you doing?
I'm eating my breakfast in a sleeping mood.
She was asleep in the bus.
Yeah, but at least I have my coffee.
Yes. and I don't think it will work on you. I don't have any hope.
It will.
It's small.
I said I was not hungry, but here is what I got to eat. I don't know where to start. And these are mine too.
So if you are watching this video, it means you watched the vlog till the end. I wanted to thank you for your support and attention and watching our vlogs and supporting us by writing a comment or your likes. Thank you for all your supports. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will create more videos for you. Bye.